Hawker 850X PI. Preflight inspection. Right nose.
Nose gear doors. Inspect the nose gear doors for damage and alignment. Wheel well. Open the wheel well doors and inspect the wheel well, 2 alpha. Ensure that there are no loose articles or fluid leaks. Verify that all cable, hydraulic, and electrical runs are secure. Check the auxiliary hydraulic reservoir quantity, 2 Bravo. Nose gear ground lock pin. Remove the nose gear ground lock pin and retain for later stowage. Dump valve outlet. Check that the dump valve outlet is unobstructed. Wheel well doors. Close the wheel well doors. Ensure that they are properly aligned. Wheel well door manual release. Verify that the manual release is securely latched. Nose steering disconnect pin. Check that the steering disconnect pin is locked with its quick release pin. 7 alpha. The quick release pin should be locked in place with the indicator groove exposed and level with the head. 7 Bravo. Oleo. Inspect nose gear oleo strut for normal extension. The oleo should be clean with no evidence of leaks. If extension is not normal for aircraft weight, service before flight. Nose wheel tires. Examine the nose wheel tire chine and tread for signs of damage and excessive wear. Check for correct tire pressure, 100 plus 10 psi, service tires with nitrogen only. Cracks are permitted on one side of a tire, provided the crack does not penetrate tire casing cords. Tire tread is excessively worn when groove depth is less than 2 mm across tire width, or tread is worn to the base of the wear indicating grooves, if installed. For servicing procedures see Hawker 800 Aircrew Manual Volume 1, Landing Gear Section, pages 4, 5 and 6. Hawker 800XP Ground Handling Checklist, Part 3, Landing Gear Servicing and Procedures. Static vents. Remove the static vent plugs and retain for later stowage. Verify that the upper 10 alpha and the lower 10 Bravo vents are clear and undamaged. Pitot probe. Remove the pitot probe cover and retain for later stowage. Verify that the pitot probe is clear, secure, and undamaged. Airflow angle vane. Remove the airflow angle vane cover and retain for later stowage. Verify that the vane is undamaged and free to move. Angle of attack AOA probe if installed. Remove the probe cover if installed and retain for later stowage. Verify that the probe is undamaged. Venturi outlet. Check that the cabin venturi outlet is clear of obstructions. SAT-TAS probe. Remove the SAT-TAS probe cover and retain for later stowage. Check that the probe is undamaged and secure. Note: tire pressures for unpaved runways can be found in Crew Manual, Volume 1. This is the end of pre-flight inspection. Right nose.